Welcome to our guide on setting up a smart home. Today, we'll explore what smart homes are and how they can enhance your daily living. Let's look at the essential smart home devices that are perfect for beginners, including smart plugs, lights, and security cameras. Choosing the right smart home ecosystem is crucial. Will you go with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit? Let's compare. Setting up your smart hub is the first step. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to get you started. Installing smart plugs and lights is easier than you think. Here's a quick tutorial on making your home smarter. Next, we'll configure smart security cameras and doorbells to ensure your home stays secure. Smart thermostats save energy and money. Let's explore how to integrate them into your home. Creating routines and automation can simplify your daily life. Let's leverage technology to make your tasks easier. Don't worry. Troubleshooting common smart home issues is straightforward, and we've got the solutions for you. Embrace the future of home living with smart technology. It's easier than ever to enhance your daily life.